Parents have been getting away with this for too long, and someone needs to say something. And I'm just the dummy to do it. Stop apologizing for your children to other parents. I'm not talking about the wild stuff. I'm talking about you're just out in public and your kid does a minor inconvenience and then you feel you need to apologize to everybody. Feel free to apologize to older people, people who don't have kids. If you're at a restaurant, anybody that works there. But don't apologize to us parents with kids the same age as you. I get it. It's a habit. I'm sorry for everything that's happening right here. But when you apologize to us, it triggers something. It makes us, so that we can make you feel better, talk trash about our kids. We'll say something like, "Oh, please, don't be fooled by what's going on over here. This one's usually a nightmare." Meanwhile, they're like, "I can hear you. You don't need to apologize. Your kid's being a kid and you're raising the next generation of human beings on this planet. You have nothing to be sorry for." Saying sorry to me for your kid being a kid, like we're just going to pretend I didn't just scream run through a restaurant with this one because they wait to tell you they have to go to the bathroom until the last possible second. Seriously, I can hear you. All I'm saying is give yourself a break because gosh knows they're not going to let you. Come on. I'm sorry.